Hey guys, welcome back to another live trading video. Today I'm taking a look at USD and I just picked up a long position on this chart. The idea here from just a simple standpoint of technical analysis is we have a very strong upward market here. You can see if we apply our daily chart moving averages, we have a really strong breakout to the upside recently. We actually saw the recent high just get taken out. And I was looking for intraday pullbacks to try and get involved in this on a retest. Now, we actually got some volatility here this morning with some of the news from FOMC. And with that, it actually gives me the chance, at least to me, this is a good chance to try and pick up a long position and look for continuation moves. Now, my stop loss is in place, basically just below the previous low here. So you can see my stop loss just below here. So I'll go ahead and mark this up so you can see. So my stop loss is just below this previous low. If this level gets taken out, if this low gets taken out, that will be my signal to go ahead and get out of the trade for a loss. And my goal here is to try and hold on to a winner and see if we can continue to ride this upward trend overall. Now, from a technical standpoint, it's pretty simple. We've got, like I showed you, the daily chart looking strong, pullbacks on the intraday chart, hitting support that I like, and that's pretty much it. And then, of course, the goal here is to try and trail stops if you're familiar with my trading style. On top of that, I'll show you guys the Edge Finder, which is our market scanner that I use to help find my setups. Dollar Swiss came on my radar today. It's got a 4 in the overall category, which you can see all the different categories broken down here. So for example, if we just walk through this really quick, the COT data is pointing towards hedge funds and small banks, institutional traders, basically long on the dollar and short on the Swiss franc. 65% of their positions are short, 77% of their USD positions are long. So that gives me a clear bias or a +2 in that category to buy the currency pair. If we take a look at retail sentiment, the crowd is very short on dollar Swiss. Retail sentiment gets a +1 in that category, knowing that the crowd tends to be on the wrong side of great trades. And then if we continue on, if we take a look at the trend, a strong uptrend overall. GDP, inflation, unemployment, and interest rates are a bit mixed here, with GDP, inflation, and unemployment favoring the Swiss franc, and interest rates, of course, favoring the dollar, with the Federal Reserve being quite hawkish, which from a fundamental standpoint is another reason why I am quite bullish on the dollar, as I have been for the majority of this year, 2022. So there you go. That's the trade breakdown, or at least why I took the trade. I just shared this inside of the Discord, as I do with every trade, and I'll be updating any updates I make to the trade, trailing stops, etc., as we go along this week. Again, the link for this will be down below in the description if you'd like to join and get access to the trade alerts. So what I'll do is I'll pause, give this trade a little bit of time, and we'll come back soon.
Attention traders, this is not a drill. Here at A1 Trading, we are giving away $500. That's right, you heard it. $500 plus a gold VIP membership. Now with the gold VIP membership, you only got to pay one time, but here we're just going to give it to you, plus $500. How does that sound? For the whole month of October, by the way. So make sure to click the link in the description, enter the giveaway before the month is over. By the end of the month, one winner will receive a text message, so make sure that phone number you put in is correct. The winner will receive a text message from us indicating that they have won. So good luck, everybody.
All right, guys, so we're back on USD and things have been going pretty well so far. We actually saw a big spike to the upside off of CPI numbers here this morning, which yet again, we saw a miss here in the US for inflation numbers, meaning that inflation was hotter than expected, causing the dollar to strengthen dramatically. Now, I did hold this position open throughout the news, which does have its risks, but I was willing to basically, you know, if price went against me, to stop out and take my $800 loss. So I hadn't moved it prior to this event. Very soon, coming in right now to the release. Let's see what numbers come out. Stay tuned. We'll give you some coverage on what's happening. And CPI numbers spiking. Oh my goodness. Spiking to the upside. Dollar up to, big time right there. Dollar yen. What just happened? Guys, spam the numbers in the chat if you guys don't mind. If you have them, share them with the group, share them with the chat. If you guys have the numbers. Dinesh, thank you very much, by the way, for the 400 rupees. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you so much for the stream donation. Look at this dollar coming in hot here. Dollar yen up massively, 147. My gosh, I remember when this thing was crossing 110. Gold down to 1666 and very quickly giving off a massive sell print here on the news. My goodness, that was a crazy move, you guys. But now I have actually moved my stop loss up to into profit. So I just shared this update with members so you can kind of see where I'm at with it. So I've got my 34 pips locked in, and at the point that I was moving it, we were up 98 pips, which on this pair, by the way, is pretty good considering this CHF cross tends to not move too often, right? So the dollar or not move too much. So you can see this spike by itself basically jumped by 90 to 100 pips in just a matter of a few minutes, which was really crazy to watch. So we're currently floating about $1,500 and we have locked in officially now about 500 of that. So if this thing does fall apart here, which again could happen, I don't know the future, I just wouldn't want it to basically break underneath here. So if it breaks under that level and starts getting back into this territory, I'll just go ahead and lock my profit in and take that $500 off the table. But as long as this sort of level holds and we continue to trail higher, I'll be looking to follow my stop loss or trail my stop loss behind market structure. So just giving this some time to make its move, and we'll go from there. So again, locked in a profitable trade at the worst case scenario now. So we'll just give this some time to play out. All right, guys, and just like that, we are out of USDCHF. So the CPI numbers initially launched price in our favor, but just some of the afternoon volatility here has started, or I guess mid-morning afternoon / volatility has started here on USD CHF, which ultimately led to us getting out of the trade. Fortunately, we seem to have gotten out at a pretty good time as price continues to drop here. So really crazy, kind of erasing all of those gains very quickly. But in that case, we were still able to enter down in this area. Beautiful entry point. Price rallied up and fortunately was able to close out here with a profit. So we'll take that about $540 something, $530 on the actual trade. And then in addition to that, we also collected some positive swap on this pair of about $28.23. So beautiful overall trade. I'll take that right around $550 for the day, and on to some more trading. So with that said, guys, if you want to join the Discord, remember you can join down below in the description. You can see all the trades being taken by myself, Frank, and the rest of our trading team. You can see right here. This is what it looks like. So all out of dollar Swiss, so nice profitable trade, and the full explanations start to finish on every trade. So if that would be something you're interested in, the link will be down below in the description, and you'll know it's real trades, no nonsense, no fake accounts, no MT4 nonsense, pure real trading, and you can follow along with the ideas being shared so that you hopefully get some sort of educational value. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It looks like you made it to the end of one of my videos. Thank you so much for supporting my content. It really means the world to me. And down below in the description, I put together some of my best resources for aspiring traders who are looking to improve. I've got some free downloads that could help you, some broker recommendations, and if you'd like to join our Discord or get access to some of our trading software, all of that will be linked down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.